Hello guys, it's Max here from Daily Market Movements, and before I start this video I just want to make you all aware of our sale that we have on our trading signals. We currently have a 25% sale on. We are only charging a very small fee of $150 for our trading signals, so if you want to receive trading signals from myself here and the team here at Daily Market Movements, and you can do so simply by visiting our website www.dailymarketmovements.com. The website link is below, and this will give you a 12-month subscription to receiving our signals. You know, a quarter of the population of this world are currently on lockdown, so now is a better time than ever to get involved with trading. So in front of me is a gold futures chart, and as you can see today on Friday we've had a slightly negative day, currently trading at that 1623 level. Which is below the 1650 level, which has caused some noise in the past couple of weeks, which I'm just circling on the chart now. In terms of the RSI, we are pretty much flat at 53, which is the midway point in the RSI. Where do we go from here? Well, I did say in yesterday's video that I do expect us to rise to that $1,700 level, and I still believe we will. However, one thing I will underline with gold is in the past couple of weeks, since this huge drop that we had here about 3 weeks ago, one thing I have noticed is there's been an algorithm that has formed between gold and stocks. They seem to be following each other. So, you know, which is kind of strange because most traders will know that when stocks do bad, gold normally performs well, and so when stocks do well, gold normally performs bad. However, the reason that gold has been dropping is there's two reasons to it. It's either the banking cartel, or second of all, the reason I actually believe the most is because gold has performed incredibly well this year, and I just think traders are now cashing in on profits. You know, it was trading at that 1290 level, and it's risen all the way up to 1700, and I think traders now are cashing in on their profits on gold and then transferring over to the stock market, as there are so many good stocks to pick up cheap right now. You know, you've got most stocks which are down 30%, the likes of Apple, for example. You know, these are stocks which will be trading at their all-time high in the seeable future. So where do we go from here? Well, I am bearish on the stock market. You've got the NASDAQ 100. If you watch my video, I still believe we're going to go down to that $7,000 mark. And I do want to jump in gold and pick up value here because I think 1622 is still rather cheap, as I do believe it will go to 1800 in the next couple of months. However, I still believe it could potentially drop down to that 1600 level along with the stock market at the beginning of next week if NASDAQ does fall down. You know, you have the United States now, which is about to be the central of the center of the pandemic at the moment with the coronavirus. And with the stock market going down and this algorithm that seems to be in play at the moment, then I think gold could potentially fall to that $1,600 mark. But if it does drop to that $1,600 mark, I am looking to pick up value. And at $1,600 at the $1,600 level, I am going long, and $1,700 is my target. However, I'm also looking to post some longer term trades, which I'll be targeting at 1,800 level. So I'll place around 4 trades at the bottom here at the 1600 level. I will target the 1650 on one trade, the 1600 on the second trade. On the third, I'll target the 1750, and on the fourth, I'll target the 1800, all with a stop loss just under that 200-day EMA, which will then give a great win to loss ratio. I am trading this on the signal group. So like I mentioned before, guys, right now is a 25% sale on our trading signal group. Get involved. I know I don't do sales very often, so please do take advantage of this sale. You're saving yourself $50. We're only charging $150 now for a year's membership. So if you are and have been watching our videos now and you want to get involved, this is the perfect time. And most of you are probably locked in your houses doing absolutely nothing, just watching Netflix. Become more productive and get involved in signals and make some money. Thanks, guys. Be safe.